What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sasha P. This morning I'm going to talk about the differences between collards and turnips. Just a couple that I see while growing them, and also being a southern girl from Mississippi, what I've noticed over the years. Alright, so let's get right into it. I am growing both collards and turnips, and the turnips just started coming up. Here's one of the turnip green plants, and right beside it is a collard plant. The collards are automatically bigger because I set them out as seedlings. So I need to do some maintenance out here and chop. But anyway, I just want to show y'all the main differences that I see. So the leaves are more slender on the turnip green than it is on the collard. Slender leaves, and the collards are kind of wide compared to them. Also, the leaves are thinner on the turnip than on the collard. And I'm just going back and forth so you can see. I don't have that many turnip greens, y'all. Of course, the flavor is slightly different on a turnip. And also, I think the turnip greens don't take as long to cook as the collards. Them collards take a long time because they thick. And the stems get real thick on them collards too. The turnips grow they grow a vegetable underground, a root vegetable. So, and the collards don't. So they both got their little things or whatever. Some people prefer the flavor of collards. Some prefer the flavor of turnips and mustard greens. I can't wait to see how they do. Let's see. Here's another turnip plant. And I gotta get out here. It's a couple turnip plants over here too. Collards are doing good. We just need a little more sunshine and we'll get more growth. Yep, I ain't gonna even talk about the other crops right now. I'm trying to stay focused. Stay focused, Sasha. Alright, so that's what we was talking about, the difference between the collard green and the turnip green. Yep, the collards, they be more spaced out too, like the leaves plop out a lot more on the collards, whereas on the turnips they kind of stand up a little bit straighter. I keep going back to this plant because it's my biggest and best plant. Yeah, and the turnips, they have really thick, like a thick leaf. And then, so a lot of people, that's why a lot of people, they cut collards up into strips and do all that, and they take the stems out. And you don't have to do all of that with turnips. Really, I don't do all that anyway because that's too much work. But yeah, greens are coming along good. I'll keep y'all updated. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.